If you've ever dreaded a Brazilian wax, this is about to change everything. No more fear. No more clenching your fists. She breathed, and the pain just disappeared. It sounds almost too simple to be true, right? But what if I told you the secret to a less painful wax isn't in a magic cream or a special kind of wax, but in something you're already doing right now? Breathing. Women in New York, London, Sydney, and Berlin are discovering that the key isn't just the wax, it's how you breathe. This simple shift in focus is transforming one of the most feared beauty treatments into a manageable, even calming, experience. So, let us dive into exactly how you can master this technique and walk out of your next appointment feeling empowered, not pained. First, let's understand why waxing hurts in the first place. When you anticipate pain, your body instinctively tenses up. Your muscles clench, your heart rate spikes, and you enter a fight or flight mode. This tension makes your skin tighter, which means the hair follicles grip the hair even more firmly. When the wax strip is pulled, it's pulling against this resistance, which magnifies the sensation of pain. It's a vicious cycle. You expect pain, you tense up, and it hurts more, confirming your fears for next time. But we're going to break that cycle today. The antidote to this tension is conscious breathing. This isn't just your normal, everyday breathing. I'm talking about deep, intentional breaths that engage your diaphragm. When you take a deep inhale, feel your belly expand. This signals to your nervous system that you are safe. Then, as you perform a long, slow exhale, you actively release the tension from your pelvic floor muscles. This is the game changer. Releasing those muscles means the skin is more relaxed and pliable, allowing the hair to be removed with far less resistance and, therefore, less pain. Now, let's add another layer: micromovements. While you want to avoid tensing your whole body, small subtle shifts can actually help. Gently wiggling your toes or slightly adjusting the position of your legs can prevent your muscles from locking up. Think of it like this: if a muscle is completely rigid, any force applied to it feels more jarring. By keeping your body in a state of gentle motion, you help the wax strip pull more smoothly and evenly. A few gentle stretches before your session can also work wonders to loosen up your skin and muscles. The real magic happens when you sync your breath with the esthetician's pull. This takes a little practice and communication. The pattern is simple. Take a deep, preparatory inhale just before she is about to pull the strip. Then, as the strip is being removed, you execute a full audible exhale. Whoosh! The sound and sensation of the exhale provide a powerful distraction for your brain, redirecting its focus away from the pull. It also ensures your muscles are in their most relaxed state at the exact moment of removal. Start practicing this on smaller, less sensitive areas, like your arms or legs, to get the rhythm down. To enhance this, let's bring in visualization. Your mind is an incredibly powerful tool. As you lie on the table, instead of thinking, "This is going to hurt," close your eyes and imagine something soothing. Picture the wax as a warm, healing balm that is removing tension, not just hair. Visualize yourself relaxing on a serene beach, with each exhale mimicking the sound of waves receding from the shore. This mind-body connection is scientifically proven to reduce the perception of pain. You're not just distracting yourself, you're actively calming your nervous system. Of course, physical preparation is still important. Your skin's condition plays a huge role. Well-hydrated skin is more supple and resilient. Try drinking a glass of water about 30 minutes before your appointment to soften your skin from the inside out. A warm shower beforehand can also help to open up your pores, making hair removal easier. Just be sure to avoid heavy creams or oils right before you go, as they can prevent the wax from adhering properly. A little light exfoliation a day or two before can also help prevent ingrown hairs later. Let's talk about the wax itself. Not all waxes are created equal. For sensitive areas like the bikini line, hard wax is generally considered the gentler option. Unlike soft wax, which requires a cloth strip and adheres to both the skin and the hair, hard wax shrink wraps around the hair itself as it cools. When it's pulled off, it lifts primarily the hair, causing less trauma to your skin. The temperature is also key. Wax that's too hot can burn you, while wax that's too cold won't grab the hair effectively and may need to be reapplied, causing more irritation. Don't be afraid to ask your esthetician what kind of wax they use and why it is right for your skin type. The environment of the spa also has a massive impact on your relaxation levels. Salons in cities like Stockholm and Montreal are known for their minimalistic, calming aesthetics for a reason. Dim, warm lighting, soft, ambient music, and soothing scents, like lavender or eucalyptus, all send signals to your brain to relax. If you're waxing at home, you can recreate this atmosphere. Dim the lights, put on a calming playlist, and light a scented candle. It transforms the experience from a chore into a self-care ritual. A huge part of this process is mental reframing. Change the story you tell yourself. Instead of focusing on the momentary discomfort, focus on the result. Weeks of smooth, confident skin. Use affirmations like, "I am in control of my body," or "I am releasing what no longer serves me." This isn't just feel-good fluff. Shifting your mindset from one of fear to one of empowerment genuinely lowers how much pain your brain registers. Professionals in fast-paced cities like NYC and Berlin use these exact mindfulness techniques to manage stress, and you can apply them here, too. A skilled esthetician will often use a layered waxing strategy. Instead of tackling a large area all at once, they'll work in smaller, more manageable sections. This gives your nervous system time to adjust and prevents it from becoming overwhelmed. If you're particularly sensitive, don't hesitate to ask for a brief pause between pulls. This approach is effective for everyone, from busy mothers in Toronto to high-flying executives in London, because it's tailored to individual comfort. This brings me to my next point. Partner with your esthetician. They are your ally in this process. Communicate with them. Let them know if you have areas that are particularly tense or sensitive. You can even use verbal cues like ready to help coordinate your breathing with their pull. An experienced professional will appreciate your involvement and will be able to adjust their technique to make you more comfortable. Their reassurance alone can significantly lower your anxiety. Once the waxing is done, post-wax care is crucial for keeping your skin happy. Immediately after, apply a soothing, gentle product like aloe vera gel to calm the skin. Avoid hot baths, saunas, and intense workouts for the next 24 hours to prevent irritation. Wearing loose, breathable clothing will also help. If you experience any lingering redness, a cool compress can provide relief. And remember, the more regularly you wax, the finer your hair will grow back, and the less painful the process will become over time. To really optimize your experience, start tracking your comfort. Keep a small journal or a note on your phone. Jot down which breathing techniques felt most effective, what kind of wax was used, and what you did to prepare. Over time, you'll start to see patterns and can fine-tune your strategy for consistently smoother, less painful sessions. You can even share these insights with friends, building a community of confident wax. Don't forget that your overall lifestyle impacts your pain sensitivity. If you're stressed, sleep-deprived, or dehydrated, your body will be more reactive. On the other hand, regular exercise helps keep muscles loose, and a diet rich in omega-3 south can improve your skin's resilience. In some Nordic cultures, women often use a sauna before their spa treatments to deeply relax their muscles and open their pores up. Perfect example of how lifestyle can be integrated into a beauty routine for better results. Ultimately, this all comes together in a powerful mind-body empowerment loop. You use your breath to calm your mind, which relaxes your body. This relaxation leads to less pain during the wax, which builds your confidence. With that newfound confidence, you go into your next session with less fear, making it even easier to relax and breathe. You are taking control and transforming the experience from something that happens *to you into something you actively manage. It's a beautiful act of body awareness and self-love. It's not just wax, it's how you breathe, relax, and reclaim your body. The power to have a comfortable, confident waxing experience is already within you. Try these techniques during your next appointment and feel the incredible difference for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, please give this video a like and share it with a friend who dreads their waxing appointments. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more gentle waxing tips from women all around the world. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your city and your favorite tip from this video. Let's share our calm, confident wax stories. See you next time.